You can actually make over $600 with this app that we have never covered before. You're gonna get paid $600 with this single app. Android and iOS versions are available. You can download the app for free. As I said, in this video, I'm going to show you 3 different apps that don't even have anything to do with the third app. In other words, 2 different ads. You will be paid to install the first 2 apps, so you can maximize your earnings and make as much money with them as possible. In other words, you will be able to make passive income through these 2 apps for free because, as you said, you only have to install them. These are the 2 apps I will show you. In the next app you'll see, which we haven't discussed previously, you'll get paid $600 for absolutely free. I have been posting videos about making money online every day on the Make Money Now channel, so if you haven't already, please subscribe to it. By hitting the bell icon automatically whenever you have a new first strategy, like this one to make money online, so you can be among the first to use that strategy, use that app, or use that website to make money online. Your competitors will have no way of catching up to you. The most money will be made, of course. So let's jump straight into my computer and I will explain everything to you. Okay, so here we are inside of my computer. And before I showed you how they will actually pay you $600 for absolutely free, I just want to show you 2 more apps. So in total, I'm going to show you 3 different apps inside of this video report. Someone showed a few different apps. They're literally going to pay you to do nothing. You just need to install them. And you can leave them like that. And then you can focus on the last at the moment, but I'm about to show you where you can earn over $600. So for absolutely free, but you will then have these 2 apps making you passive income for absolutely free. Yes, this first 2 apps will pay you to do nothing. You will just need to install them. And then I'm going to show you the third avenue is gonna pay you $600 for absolutely free birth. These are the third app. We have never talked about it. And it's something super amazing. As I said, we never mentioned this one before in this channel. So it's going to be a super amazing video. And as well at the end of this video, I'm going to give you something for absolutely free. So make sure to stay tuned all the way to the end. The first app that we're going to be using is SMSapp.com. This is SMSapp.com. This is their official website, which obviously will just install this app directly into your smartphone device. And basically how this works is this is a free app, which will allow you to make money online automatically by receiving SMS generated by the system by their system and customers. You just need to install this your smartphone with the exterior smartphone device, create an account, and it's just gonna send you some random messages, SMS messages, and you do not have to reply to those messages. They literally have no meaning, it's literally just some random numbers and letters. And you're just going to be, you can even delete them right after you receive them. But you will still get paid per each and every SMS you receive. So no work needed, you will just receive the SMS passively, you do not have to do anything, just sign up to this app. And that's all you have to do. And every single day, they're going to send you new text messages. And you're going to get paid for each message, as I said. So basically, you can come over here read more about how it works. About this one works only for Android, but keep watching because the next apps, we're going to work for both iOS and Android. But there's one yes, this one works only for Android. So if you have an iOS device, and I'm sorry, but you won't be able to make any money with the Money SMS app. So their obligation is exclusively Android-based because only Android allows to read SMS. You just need to install their app and get paid by their money-making app will receive SMS text messages. And this is 100% secure. Their app does not read any of your data, broken any of your private messages, or uses any other data that they read only their own test SMS, so they will not steal your data. They will not read your messages, private messages or whatever, and it's 100% secure. I've done 10 research on this app and people are just loving it amount of money they are making with the app. And as well, they're loving how the system actually works. Because as you can see, it's automatic. You earn money with the app passively without any active actions required from your side. And they also have a really nice reporting program where you can earn 30% from your referrals earnings. So if you refer a friend to this app, to this website, and then they sign up and you start making money, wants to make for like $100, you will get $30 for absolutely free, completely passively for lifetime. You are going to be earning passive income from dApps from them. So yes, there's definitely a lot of different ways to make passive income with the Money SMS app. And of course, this is absolutely free. You will not have to pay for anything. It will stay free forever. And you can learn more about how this actually works to basically just sign up and receive automatic text messages and get paid for doing that. These are some screenshots and how it looks inside of the dashboard and how it looks. I want you to install the app. And this is how it's going to look like. And this is your referral code that you can share with your friends, family and stuff. And you can also share it on Facebook or Twitter or on Instagram, or share it to some Facebook groups while making money online. Just tell them that they can make passive income from that app, and don't just send them your referral link. And you can still make some passive income from your referrals. That's a really nice thing about this app. As you can see, is this camera legit as a money as soon as they take all the natural measures to ensure that they comply with the latest GDP, our privacy policy requirements. If you're not sure whether they pay their users, you can check the proof of payments for many of users on an independent website and net business ratings. You can read more about them on this website. And you're getting to see that people are actually receiving money from this website. And as I said, I've done tons of research and this website does work. Now the next app that you can use to make some free passive income is called cashmagnet.cashmagnetapp.com. But obviously, your app name is just Cash Magnet, and you will install it to your once again Android-wise. This one as well works only for Android, but keep watching because the last app is going to be available for both iOS and Android as well. I'm going to give you something for absolutely free at the end. So make sure to watch this video all the way. To do so, get one from our Android phone. They pay for every minute of that time. When you do nothing. As you can see, you literally need to do nothing. They have the largest payments, because Cash Magnet unites all the batch reward programs in one place. This one is actually going to be way more than the Money SMS app. And so we're kind of going from the lowest paying app to the highest paying app. So you can read more about it. You do not need to perform any tasks or watch ads or play games. Earnings will come in absolutely are through enormous and passive mode. You can literally be sleeping. You can be doing something else. You could be, taking a lunch. You can be going outside drinking water. You could be reading news. Whatever you do regularly, just do that every single day. And you will still get paid just for installing this app and just sort of leaving over you're smarter than the smartphone out there. So prepare to earn several times more. Only 2 months working with the Cash Magnet, and you can buy another brand new phone that works for you around the clock. This is 1,000 of their satisfied users do it. So you can literally buy a brand new phone. Do you mind after using this app? It's absolutely safe to guarantee that your data and personal settings will not be used in any way to earn money using your phone for doing nothing. Absolutely passive income. So you can read more about what a Cash Magnet actually is. So this is an Android app that will allow you to earn extra income while you're not using the phone. So you can just leave your phone there and just have the app installed to your phone. And you will be making passive income. As I said, you do not have to do anything. And if you don't want to install this to your main phone, maybe for whatever reason, you don't want to install it, then you have some another device in your home. And you can install it into some device that you do not use mobile phone. Just install the app to that old phone. It's gonna make you passive income. And you can just leave it out there. You do not even have to use it at all. And as well, if you install this app to as many devices you have in your home, then you can make even more passive income from this, and it's absolutely free. Of course, as I said, all these apps are absolutely free. You do not have to pay for anything. Now, right before I give you the last app, the main app, they will actually pay you over $600 in right before I gave you the thing at the end of the video. If you haven't already, be sure to drop a like to this video. Leave a thumbs up because you know that want to see you guys leaving likes and comments under my videos. I know that you are enjoying them. And I know that you're getting value out of those videos. And if you do appreciate me uploading daily, make morning life stretches and daily made money online business ideas, just hit the like button, leave a thumbs up. It's all I'm asking for. And if you have any questions or you simply need some help, always feel free to leave a comment down below, because I will be reading to all those comments. And I will try to reply as soon as possible or as soon as you see that comment. Now, with that being said, the app that we're going to be using is this one right here. I will give you the app name in a second, but yes, That one is going to pay you $600. You can earn up to $600 in a year just by listening to music. So all you have to do install this to either app through either iOS or Android is available for both App Store and Google Play Store. So both sides are satisfied. So that's really cool. So there will be no complaints in the comments. And it works only for Android or it works only for iOS. There's one works for both. Both either satisfied and you're going to get paid just by listening to music. That's all you have to do: install the app, listen to music, earn more points. The more you play, the more music you listen, the more money you're gonna make. So basically, in your free time, you're getting paid just to listen to music. So search and play from 100,000 plus radio stations, so you can find your favorite music and listen to your favorite music. And you are going to get paid for doing that. You do not have to listen to some, random rappers from SoundCloud that you don't even like, but you can actually listen to music you enjoy, and you will still get paid for doing that. I mean, obviously, I guess all of you guys already listen to music every single day. And now you can get paid for doing that. That's really amazing. Earn points by playing your favorite music, spend your points on your favorite brands, and much, much more. And as you can see, this is in many countries and a few countries on this list, that you can install the app to your smartphone device and start making money with this one. Now, as I said, you will go to Google Play Store and Apple Store. So the app name is actually Current Us. So this is the website name, Current Us or Current Us. So let it just load. The logo should look something like this. This is the logo. Says research for the Current app on your Apple Store or the Google Play Store and just find that app. This is it for today's video, guys. As always, if you liked it, if you're enjoying my content, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up below to support my channel. And in case you don't want to miss on any future videos just like this one, then click that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll be notified whenever a new video pops up. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon.